side conversation where and abaton my money na anymore womodi. Say no minim say a dear NC and NC Ochina and son of my to my banner. So what
I would say see because that conversation one is dangerous for our democracy. It's dangerous for our democracy and it's also dangerous for the survival of the MPP. Because MPP is in foka hon kremofoka hon ena ekotwa bawo. I say semuni biaba yenye nim se odemu sonko. That's how I say when SOMPA the manual enye ya. You are discriminating against the person.
Okay, so if you say you are discriminating against the person, what action Sabri Mokamp Mubeteki would you petition the National Council of Elders of your party to step in this regard, or better still, go to the national executive of the party and lodge a complaint so that this kind of tribal, bigotry, politicking would stop? Would you take that action?
The name of Cafe Yamisi Kumasiko Dunkrai. The BBC, maybe all of us in the campaign team, no, any or no Kafa candidate, no. And I was saying, yes, in the anything. James, at the top, and now you're working here, it be a petition party now. Professor Buzia, I know, can I say, Africa, to be a very successful politician, no. Also, you have a phone case and now James in Papa Niboni. Every now and then, maybe I could count him in all their toes. And I'm saying, because a national tragedy now I befall this country. I'm a ministers of state actually womanka. So therefore service military officers. Woman and so mine akunya atofu say na mako baby na party assembly na yepo kanam so ministers amu no ministers of state. Which state near can was the state of Ghana, the Republic of Ghana. And then make us say, any NDC for MDC a person or be a swap for the NDC for Nanya or my money Nanya. Me shall say, I'm saying sorry, me mom pay a maw, Mosing your name for my currency.
Yeah,
and just chill over bushing for you. If you want to be a coffee, sorry, what done no say, me say. I think
that's a story in the Grammy Hui. And I was
Joy FM for a letterhead. So the joy upon the friend, maybe what I mean. Joy upon the friend say, Omonko for be a interview me, and I'm so far dear. And I'm so saying, I'm so ready. We call a party meeting, report a BA anyhow. And she, but after that, no joy from Phobias may be summer. Then was also, no more 10 minutes. No one can summarize you. No more 10 minutes. And 10 minutes enough from Sunday, I didn't bread me. And I'm so much human who said, letterhead now, and if I couldn't issue, logo, no, a fake logo. I'm a joy for the cry, and home, a disclaimer, a news report. Say, a seminar will be the better or quick. Interview, I mean, cancer. But yes, and so, Obi a unfair Dr. Bomi and send Kyei Mensah Bonsu. No, not on I'm so no share. We take our own story. The register was saying, Mampo.
Yeah, because Honorable Major, so as a brother, but we want to thank you, sir, for your time. But I also listened to Dr. Brian Acheampong now. As I somehow know, Kano was saying now, Majina no isi boni because the Oka any dear. Then ya dia a ye boni bia womb. Because was uncle on what yana.
see me or no chimu ikusi here. Na niano a small kind no recording no itie no. When we are see we are not angels. And sometimes we get any maybe wrong. And she say, this is say one more microphone any occasionally some kind of be wrong and just
oh yeah.
And the BBC na ebi amanfo yi mo ate na hu say no ade ide anko yi na usiafo. This is not what I meant. It is a na aba mo fanche nyina I move on.
So you expect say what they Acheampong ever beto abonten based on the someone ever abonten.
Yes, na say ebi a wo can say wo justify say ya chon no na esiboni when asem say no waka no dia. Now the men nya adwen papa. But
you expect an apology. You expect an apology from him.
Say I will leave that to him. Say you obiaka bi na ntwa yi no. You can't force the person to apologize. Or maybe obe reflect. Otie ebia atan ankofo yi mu no. Aka say okay. We see no. Let's move on. Let's forget. And
you also expect the National Executive Committee and for that matter the Council of Elders to take an action on this particular issue.
I'm saying that if some say on their own, almost, but from the Omia camp on the ensure and take a decision. And I make us say, Omo cramp on so. I may aduma a channel what we do.
So what if they don't act? The National Council of Elders don't act. The National Executives don't act. Do you see, say, the waters even after Moyi Mukendimia Obedi Amanyokurum for the 2028 elections?
Let me can't be. Let me can't some of the Buya Kari. And I make a far make a masterman may can say.
Yeah.
I said, I won't carry a cash or not. What you say? Sometimes you listen to it, no gyno.
Okay.
What you say? Until Oloba and you do ABC.
Okay.
I don't want to prejudice any discussion.
Oh, Basa some you betu ja oni na dinkomo ana oni ni nyen dinkomo. Oh, okay.
Honestly.
Okay.
Your bar. But you never get home. You can't seem to see here. I wasn't happy with what I heard. As I'm saying, I'm leaving it to Brian, who I believe is capable of analyzing and reanalyzing the situation. If you think that Sebi, it's open to the party, and maybe it should go and a very resolve assembly. If on the other hand, we'll review not say maybe I'm what I've said, we'll leave it to him. But still American, as far as we are concerned, in Asia, which is going to be tomorrow, then we'll see what to do.
And you're a Brabant and Mobisia.
Oh, I say, oh no,
okay.
We do. We'll have a discussion.
Okay, so after that,
I'm saying it's either do we petition or do we just leave it? Because there's been sufficient conversation, and as me being an various stations.
Yeah.
The general, you say, people are not happy with the statement now. Oh yeah, I think most people then you're happy with it, but it's left to the individual. Then you can say or no or say. Brian say, I'm off for an action. I know a sibone. Maybe I'm just I don't know meaning. But what are the plain words that he used? Plain words no appear to suggest something different.
Okay, wait there. My under was it. But if you were Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, what action would you have taken with regards to this particular statement emanating from Dr. Brian Acheampong?
Yeah, I'm not Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
That is why I'm saying that if you were, it's an if condition.
I don't want to make any statement say because the statement to be a bit prejudice what decision that he may want to take. And I said the group, you know, we may want to take. I don't want to sound personal. So maybe
all right. Okay, views much respected. Honorable Kyei Mensah Bonsu, yeah, we want to say we are grateful for your time this afternoon on Forgotten Country or SOMPA, but I would have loved to have you in studio so we can have a one-on-one conversation. But that you have promised us, and I'm sure that one of these days you come over for the conversation to unfold right here on SOMPA in studio, Forgotten Country.
It's gone beyond. It's gone beyond promise. Now it's a pledge.
It's a pledge. Very good. Very good. We'll talk later. Thank you so much. Yeah, that's right.